Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart with good settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, as you see, we'll search about the application of Walmart. And you will click here in this page. In this window of app info, you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here in this page of storage, you will click on Clear Cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by liking.